students, in the previous video we learned how to make the cumulative frequency less than type and more than type table, right? In this video we are going to learn measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. So let's learn. Central tendency. The numbers in the data tend to cluster around a certain number. This property is called the central tendency of the group. The number around which the numbers in the data tend to cluster is called measure of central tendency. It is supposed that the measure is a representative of the data. In statistics, the measures of central tendency mainly used are mean, median and mode. So let's learn what is meant by mean. The arithmetical average of all observations in the given data is known as its arithmetic mean or simply mean. To find out the mean, formula is mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the data upon total number of observations. Let's learn how to find out the mean. For that, we have an example. So here, yield of soybean per acre in a quintal in Mukund's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean of yield per acre. So here 7 years yield is given. Okay, then we have to find out its mean, that is average. So formula is mean is equal to, mean is denoted by this x bar is equal to sum of all these observations. How many observations are there? Total 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sum of all these observations upon number of observations. So as the 7 are there, that's why 7. Okay. So if we add all these numbers, we get the total 49. 49 upon 7. So answer is 7. So here the mean yield of soybean per acre is 7 quintals. So dear students, in this way we can find out the mean for the given observation. The monthly salary in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. Find the mean of monthly salary. Dear students, in this question, we are given with the monthly salary of 30 workers. If we go to add all these numbers, okay, then it will be quite difficult task for us. Okay, so let's make it easy by making the frequency distribution table. Okay, so here we made the table. So here this salary we denoted it by the XI, salary in rupees. So it is started from the 3000 up to 9000. Okay, that's why all salaries are written here. Then by using the tally marks, how many times that number came that we have written by denoting the frequency F1. Okay, and here if 3000 is there for 8 times, then to add that 3000 8 times it will be little difficult. So instead of that we will say 3000 into 8, that is 24,000. Same way 4000, how many times it came? So here it is 7 times. That's why 4000 into 7, that is 28,000. Then 5000 for 5 times, that is 25,000. Then 6000, how many times it came? 4 times. That is why 6,000 into 4, that is 24,000. Then 7,000 for 3 times, that's why 7,000 into 3, that is 21,000. 8,000 into 2, that is 16,000. Then 9,000 for 1 time, that's why 9,000 into 1, that is 9,000. So we'll add all these numbers. So we'll get the total of all that salary. So we'll get it as 1,47,000. Okay. Now we have to find out the mean. So mean is equal to, here we'll denote its total by sigma Fi x1. Okay. Upon total of frequency, that is sigma Fi. So this total we got, that is 1,47,000 upon 30. Okay. After reducing this, we will get the 4,900. So dear student, mean salary for the given observation is rupees 4,900. Okay. So in this way, we can find out the mean for the given observation by making the table. Now let's learn median. The scores are arranged in ascending or descending order. The number appearing exactly at the middle position in this order is known as median of the observations. Let's learn median by taking an example. So here we have the question. Find the median of 54, 63, 66, 72, 98, 87 and 92. So for these numbers we have to find out the median. So dear student, median means we have to arrange the given numbers either in the ascending order or descending order, and the number which comes in the middle is the median. Okay, so let's arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So here I have arranged them in the ascending order. So after arranging them in the ascending order, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. So here the fourth number is the middle. Okay. So here the fourth number is at the middle position, which is 72. That's why the median of the score is 72. Okay. As the numbers in the given observation is odd, that's why it is quite easy to find out the middle one. Okay. But when there are two middle numbers, means given observations are even, then how to find out the median? So let's take another example. Find the median of the data. So here we are given the data. Here you can see that how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we are given the 10 numbers and we have to find out the median of these observations. Okay. So here also first we will arrange these numbers in the ascending order. You can see here I have arranged these numbers in the ascending order. So here the numbers which comes in the 5th and 6th position, okay, will be the middle. As these are even numbers, we are getting here two numbers in the middle position. So what we do to get the median, we'll add these middle numbers. Okay, so 32 middle numbers are these 32 and 33. Okay, so let's add them and divide it by 2. So median is equal to 32 plus 33 upon 2. So we will get the sum as 65. 65 upon 2, that is 32.5 is the median of this given numerical data. So in this way we can find out the median for the given data. Now let's learn mode. The score which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data is known as the mode of the data. Now let's see how to find out the mode for the given observations. For that we have the question, find the mode of. Here we are given some numbers and we have to find out the mode. To get the mode of for the given observations, first of all we have to arrange them in a ascending order. So you can see here I have arranged all these numbers in the ascending order. After arranging in a ascending order, you can see here the number 55, which comes for 3 times, okay, and 75, which is for 2 times. So here, which numbers comes maximum? That is 55, okay. So the observation repeated maximum number of times is 55. That's why mode for the given data is 55. Okay. So dear students, which numbers comes maximum time is the mode for the given observation. Okay. But suppose now here 55 is there for 3 times and suppose 75 is also for 3 times. Then in that case 55 and 75 both will be the mode for the given observations. Okay. So in this way we can find out the mode for the given observations. The numbers which comes maximum times is the mode for the given observations. Okay, so in this way we have learned how to find out the mean, mode and median. I hope all these three things are clear to you.